This 2020 Keystone Passport Grand Touring East 2600 BHGT is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Egg Harbor City, New Jersey, 08215 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Keystone is 30 feet 8 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, skylight, leveling jacks, oven, refrigerator, water heater, stove-top burner, TV, spare tire kit, external shower, LP detector, and 43 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, 2 bedrooms. The unloaded weight of this 2020 Keystone Passport Grand Touring East 2600 BHGT is 5,473 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.